Customer support is one of the most critical, yet often overlooked, elements of any financial service, especially in the fast-moving world of crypto banking. So, when it comes to Bitwala, the big question is, how reliable is their support? The truth is, reliability has been a mixed bag, and reviews reflect that journey. Historically, like many rapidly growing crypto platforms, there have been reports of slow response times and frustration, particularly when dealing with complex or account-specific issues. Customers often mention waiting days for email replies, which is unacceptable when your money is on the line. However, Bitwala has clearly recognized this challenge and has invested in improvements. They've introduced a more structured support center and an AI-powered virtual assistant, Toshi, designed to provide instant answers to common questions about accounts, cards, trading, and wallets. This significantly boosts the initial level of support, getting users past basic troubleshooting immediately. Crucially, they emphasize that there is always an option to connect with a human expert for more complex issues. They even prioritize critical issues like trading problems, card issues, and transaction inquiries to ensure a faster resolution when it matters most. Support is also offered in both English and German. So, while past complaints highlight the pain points of growth, the current direction shows a serious commitment to smarter, faster support by combining instant AI with human expertise. If you're considering Bitwala, you should expect quick help for simple queries, but still be prepared for potential delays if your issue needs specialized human intervention. Always check recent community feedback for the latest user experiences.